for you homeowners that have a garage, the most annoying thing in the world is pulling up and not being able to open the garage unless you have your garage door fob. So today we're gonna go ahead and fix that, because on the Tahoes they have this handy dandy, where are you, button right here, which is your garage door opener. So you can program up to 3 different doors or devices. So for today's little video, I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and ditch your garage door fob, use it for another vehicle, or just get rid of it, because you can now program it into your car. So stay tuned, I'll show you guys how to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to hit this, and it's going to start blinking. There's going to be a little red light that blinks in the house, and you're also going to need your garage door fob. Well, you're going to hit your button to release, and that one simultaneously at the same time. Red light's going to be blinking nice and slow. When it speeds up, release both buttons and it should sync together. So let me go ahead and try to show you guys this while filming. So once again, push both buttons at the same time, hold it, and don't release until you see the lights flashing fast. Alright, so with that, we let go of the key fob and that, and they should be programmed. Push it again, I think it sets it. So there is my garage. So if that first method of syncing up your garage fob with that does not work, you're simply just going to come out, head over to your garage, which is filthy right now for me. You're going to locate your garage unit, garage door unit opener, whatever you want to call this thing. And for me, I have a program and set button. So what you do is you're going to hold that down for 2 seconds. Mine blinks. From there you got about 30 seconds to get back to your car. Alright, push the button. There you go, you can see the garage going up. Let's go ahead and close it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Any comment down below. It was kind of a pain in the butt because I looked in the owner's manual and I did not see anything in here about garage door opener settings or anything like that. So very similar to my Blazer. That's the only reason I knew to kind of go and reset it, because it was actually in the Blazer's user manual. So Chevy, you should probably update your user manual, because this is something that a lot of people would probably overlook and be stuck with this dinosaur of a key fob. But other than that, yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, or would like more detail on what I did, like, comment down below and I'll help you out as always. So just want to say thanks again for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.